Hi guys, what's up? I believe everybody is doing great, nice, and absolutely fine. So let me know in the live chat if I'm perfectly audible and visible properly. Everybody in the live chat, okay? And I believe everybody is doing great, nice, and absolutely fine. And if you have not liked the session yet, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as soon as possible, okay? Because that's mandatory. Am I audible and visible properly? Perfectly? Okay. Let me know, guys, in the chats, everybody out there. Okay. Just a second, guys. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Okay. So, guys, if you have not liked the session yet, like it as soon as possible because that's mandatory. Okay. So, we are starting the session right now. Okay. So, we are starting the session. I want everybody of you to basically like this particular session. Okay. Do share this session with your friends, each and everyone over here. Okay. So guys, in this particular session, okay, we have the top 500 questions of the week, okay, top 500 questions of the week, okay. It'll be for chemistry, it'll be for physics, it will be for biology, okay, for all the subjects, okay, okay, okay. I'll be sharing the PDF and the Telegram channel also. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Just a second. Problems kinematics. This is the session that we exactly have. Now listen to me very carefully over here, my dear friends. The first question that is on your screen over here is something like this. Okay. This is the question which I gave you in the last session. I gave you this as a homework. I want you guys to basically take a look over here. What does the question actually say? What does the question actually say? It says that, listen to me very carefully. We have got a velocity in terms of displacement, in terms of x, vx. Okay. It is saying that velocity in terms of x relation is given. So over here we have got a car. Its velocity is this much. And we are supposed to find the acceleration of the car. Acceleration of the car at, we say, t is equal to 2, at x is equal to 2 meters. Okay. Guys, velocity is given and we are supposed to find the acceleration. First and the foremost thing, you guys tell me one thing. Which formula should I use over here in order to find the acceleration? You say, sir, I'll use acceleration is equal to dv by dt. Tell me, is this correct over here? Is this correct over here? No. Why? Because in this question, we have velocity in terms of x. So we will use that formula of acceleration in which x is present, in which x is present. Is this clear? Tell me in the chats. I need to know. Guys, is this clear to each and everyone? Is this clear? Okay. So we say acceleration is dv divided by dt in this case. So we say we don't use this particular equation in this case. So what equation we'll be using over here? We say, sir, we know one equation, that is acceleration is, we say simply v dv divided by dx. Okay. This is the formula which we'll be using over here. Now, what is the value of velocity? Velocity is k times of x. So we can write acceleration is, instead of velocity, what we can put over here, that is k times of x. Then we say d by dx of, instead of velocity, we write again k times of x. Because we have to find the acceleration. First, we'll find the velocity. First, we'll find the velocity. Okay. As simple as that. As simple as that. Now see, my dear friends, Can I write over here, sir? This is we say, sir, kx. Then we say differentiation of kx. K is constant. I want you guys to take this k out of this equation, okay? K is constant, take this out. So we say it will become k square into x. Then what remains over here, we say dx divided by dx. We say in this case, it remains dx divided by dx, okay? Dx by dx is 1. So finally, we say acceleration in this case comes out to be, we say A is equal to k square into x, k square into x. Now listen to me very carefully. We have to find the acceleration at x is equal to 2 meters. So can I just write over here at x is equal to 2 meters? What will be the value of acceleration? You say, sir, acceleration is k square into, instead of x, we'll put 2 over here. So it will be simply 2k square meter per second square. This will be the value of acceleration in this particular case. Okay, this is the value of acceleration. Let's move on to the next question. This was the question which was asked in AIPMT 2015. This was the question which was asked in AIPMT 2015. I want you guys to take a look over here. In this case also, we have to find the acceleration. Listen to me very carefully. A particle of unit mass undergoes one-dimensional motion such that its velocity is given this much. See, in this case, a particle is moving with this velocity, okay? And where beta and this n are constants, we are supposed to find the acceleration of the particle in terms of x. We have to find the acceleration. Velocity is given and we have to find the acceleration. My dear friends, in this particular case, what I can do is, I want you guys to take a look over here. See, can I say in this particular case, sir, velocity is given. When it comes to the velocity, we write simply, sir, velocity is beta x raised power minus 2n. We say, sir, this beta x raised power minus 2n. And if velocity is given, we are supposed to find the acceleration. So what do we do in this case, sir? We say acceleration is v dv divided by dx. We'll use this formula of acceleration. Why? Because velocity is given in terms of x. Okay. Now see, so we can write it something like this. Instead of this velocity, instead of v, can we put this above equation? We say, sir, it is simply, that is beta. We say x raised power minus 2n. Then we say d by dx of differentiation of what? Differentiation of dv by dx. Differentiation of velocity. So I can put over here, we can simply say, sir, this is beta x raised power minus 2n. So we'll put this over here. Now, my dear friends, in this case, what I can do is, see. Can I write it something like this? Guys, sir, beta is constant. Can I take this constant out? If I take this constant out, it will be beta square. And then you have x raised power minus 2n over here. X raised power minus 2n over here. Now, you have the differentiation of which one? Differentiation of x raised power minus 2n. If you have, let's suppose, differentiation of x raised power 2. What is the differentiation of this? 2x, okay? Power down, power minus 1, we can say simply over here. Okay? Power down, power minus 1, we can say simply over here. Yes. Now, guys, in this particular case, what we can do, see, it is, you took the beta out. That beta into this beta is beta square. Now you have to do the differentiation of this. So we can say, sir, it is minus 2n, power down, because it is power down. Then we say x raised power minus 2n minus 1, power minus 1. This is the simple form over here. Now take this out over here. So we say minus 2n. We say it is beta square, x raised power minus 2n, x raised power minus 2n minus 1. It is something like this. Now see, x raised power minus 2n, x raised power minus 2n. We say x raised power minus 4n. So it will be minus 2n beta square, x raised power minus 4n minus 1. This will be the acceleration in this particular case. This will be the acceleration in this particular case. You can see from the options over here, minus 2n beta square minus 4n minus 1. Okay. Option number D, you can clearly see over here. Now, let's move on to the next question. In this particular case, guys, listen to me very carefully. What is given in this particular case is, we say the initial velocity of a particle, is u. The initial velocity of a particle is u. The initial velocity of a particle is u. Okay. The acceleration A is given by, acceleration is given by this, A t raised power 3 by 2, A t raised power 3 by 2, alpha t raised power 3 by 2. Okay, then we have to find the velocity. We have to, which one is valid, which one is the valid relation. So we have to find basically the velocity in this particular, okay, final velocity. Now, guys, if we have to find the final velocity in this case, listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully. We say, guys, acceleration is over here variable. Acceleration is over here variable. Now, if acceleration is variable, listen to me very carefully. We have to, velocity is given and we are supposed to find, the acceleration, we are supposed to find velocity. Acceleration is given. In this case, we say acceleration is alpha t raised power 3 by 2. And we have to find the velocity. Tell me one thing. Can I say, instead of this A, we can write simply dv divided by dt, dv divided by dt, yes. So we say it will be simply alpha t raised power 3 divided by 2, alpha t raised power 3 divided by 2. Now tell me one thing. I want you guys to take this equation, multiply it over here. So it will be dv is equal to alpha t raised power 3 by 2 into dt. Simply. Now, my dear friends, in this case, what I can do is, I want you guys to integrate. Okay. Now, if you integrate in this particular case, you say, sir, u, and this is exactly v. From u to v, let's suppose initial velocity is u. Final velocity that we are supposed to calculate is, we say in this case, v. Okay. And it is, let's suppose, for time 0 to t. For 0 to t. Now, in this case, sir, this and this will cancel. So it will be v, and limits are u to v. Limits are u to v. Then it will be is equal to. So in this particular case, we say this is alpha t raised power 3 by 2 over here. Take this alpha out, and integration of t raised power 3 by 2 is what? We say t raised power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon, we say t raised power 3 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 plus 1. We can write it something like this. Now, my dear friends, in this particular case, if you put the upper limit over here, then you put the lower limit. You say, sir, v minus u, you can write it over here, something like this. Then we say is equal to. We say, sir, this will be, see, I'll directly write over here. This is v is equal to u plus. Guys, this is, we say, t raised power 3 by 2 plus 1. And over here, it is also, sorry. I made a mistake over here. This is 3 by 2 plus 1. This is 3 by 2 plus 1, because power plus 1 upon power plus 1. Okay. So it will be simply 2 divided by 5 t raised power, and I'll write over here alpha t raised power, we say 5 divided by 2. Alpha t raised power 5 divided by 2. What I did exactly over here is, acceleration in this case is given, and we are supposed to find the velocity. So instead of acceleration, I'm directly writing dv by dt. Okay. So after solving, this is the final equation that we exactly got over here. Tell me in the chats, everybody, is this crystalline clear? All the people out there, is this crystalline clear? Is this clear? Everyone, guys. Tell me, guys. Great. Let's move on to the next question that we have exactly over here. The next question is, the initial velocity of a particle moving along x-axis. The initial velocity of a particle moving along x-axis, okay, is u. And acceleration is given by a is equal to k into x. Acceleration over here is given by a is equal to k into x. This is the acceleration which is given over here, a is equal to k into x. This is the acceleration which is given over here, a is equal to k into x. Which of the following equation is correct between velocity and position? You have to tell me which equation is correct between velocity and position, v and x. Listen to me very carefully, my dear friends, how we are going to solve this particular equation over here. See. Guys, in this particular case, We say, sir, acceleration is given, that is k times of x. Acceleration is given k times of x. Okay. Now, can I just say this acceleration is, sir, this instead of this acceleration, we write dv divided by dx, v dv by dx, because acceleration is also v dv by dx. Okay, is equal to, is equal to. Now we can write over here, this is k times of x. Okay. I want you guys to take this dx over here. So this is v dv is equal to kx into dx over here. Okay. Now we integrate this particular equation. We say if we integrate. Now integrate from where to where? The question is, if we integrate from where to where? We say, let's suppose initial velocity is u, final velocity is v. Okay. And initially displacement is 0, finally displacement is x over here. Okay. Now tell me, guys, in this particular case, can I say integration of v with respect to dv? Sir, it will be simply that is v square divided by 2, and this is from u to v is equal. And then in this case, take this k out. K is constant, so this is k. Then we say integration of x dx. So it will be x square divided by 2. X square divided by 2, and it is from, we say, 0 to x. It is from 0 to x. Okay. Now, my dear friends, in this particular case, can I say, if we put the upper limit in this velocity, we say it will be v square, then we say u square minus u square, and then we say over here divided by 2, and 2 will get cancelled over here because you have got 2, you have got 2 over here is equal to, and then we say in this case it will be kx square. V square minus u square is equal to kx square. So we were supposed to find the correct relation between velocity and position. V square minus u square is equal to kx square. V square minus u square is equal to kx square. Option C. Option C. Is it clear to each and everyone? Is it clear to each and everyone, guys? Let me know in the chats. Let me know in the chats, guys. Everybody. Guys. Lot of people might be having the confusion over here. Sir, why do not you use the equation v square minus u square is equal to 2ax? Guys, we use this equation only when acceleration is constant. When acceleration is constant. We cannot use this equation over here. See, in this case, acceleration is k times of x. Acceleration is changing with x. Acceleration is variable. And in this question also, you might be thinking that, sir, we can use v is equal to, v is equal to u plus at. We say, no, we cannot use that equation. Why? Because acceleration in this case is not constant. See, acceleration is a alpha into t raised power 3 by 2. Acceleration is changing with time over here. That's the reason we are not using these equations over here. I hope this answers the question. Next question we have over here on the screen. A body travels for 15 seconds, starting from rest with a constant acceleration. If it covers distance S1, just a second. Yes, okay. So we say, if it covers distance S1, S2 and S3 in first 5 seconds, second 5 seconds, next 5 seconds respectively. Listen to me very carefully. What does the question actually say? I'll make you understand over here. Listen to me very carefully. It says that a body travels for, let's suppose, 15 seconds. Okay. So for first 5 seconds, it travels the distance S1. For next 5 seconds, okay, it travels the distance S2. For next 5 seconds, it travels the distance S3. So total time taken in this case is 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is, we say, sir, 15 seconds over here. Okay. Now, my dear friends, tell me one thing. We have to see which one is the correct relation among all of these. Listen to me very carefully. If a body travels the distance, listen to me very carefully. We say, sir, distance traveled in first second is to distance traveled in second second, is to distance traveled in third second. Have we studied this in the last class as, sir, distance traveled in first second, is to distance traveled in second, this is first, is to distance traveled in third second. It is simply, what was the ratio? we say x is to 3x is to 5x and so on. Can I say, sir, this is the ratio in that particular case, x is to 3x is to 5x is to so on? Yes. Now, can I say over here, listen to me very carefully. Sir, distance traveled in the first second is x. Distance traveled in the second second is 3x. Okay. So I can simply write, sir, S1 divided by S2. Because distance traveled in the first second is what? S1. Distance traveled in the second second, these 5 seconds. Consider this as second second. See, it is saying for first 5 seconds. First 5 seconds means consider this as first second. Consider this as second second. Okay. Now, my dear friends, in this case, we say, sir, S1 divided by S2. Can I say this will be, sir, x divided by 3x? Yes, sir. So this and this will cancel. So S1 is equal to S2 divided by 3. Let's call this as equation number first. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now, tell me over here. Tell me over here. Can I say in this case, sir, S2 divided by S3 will be how much? Displacement traveled in second second and the third second will be how much? You say, sir, that is 3x divided by 5x. So we say, sir, this is 3x divided by, we say, sir, 5x. This and this cancelled is 3 by 5. We can write also S2 by 3 is equal to S3 divided by 5. Now, guys, listen to me very carefully. This is the equation second. Equation 1 is S1 is equal to S2 by 3. See. I'll write over here. S1 is equal to S2 divided by 3. And S2 divided by 3 is itself equal to S3 divided by 5, which is S3 divided by 5. So this is the final relation between S1, S2 and S3. Now let's check from the options which one is matching. Sir, S1 is equal to S2 divided by 3 is equal to S3 divided by 5. So option number C. Guys, I need to know in the live chat from everyone, is this crystalline clear? Is this crystalline clear? All the people out there. Is this crystalline clear? Tell me, guys. Tell me. Everyone means everyone. Let me know in the chats if this is crystal and clear. See, a car moving with a speed of, the question over here is, great. See, now see, a car moving with a speed of 40 km per hour can be stopped after applying brakes at least 2 meters. Okay. If the same car moves with a speed of 80 km per hour, what is the minimum stopping distance? This is the question of stopping distance. In the last class, we discussed the stopping distance concept. Guys, what was the formula for stopping distance? It was equal to, we say, u square divided by 2a. Okay. So we say S is equal to, S is proportional to, we say in this case, we say U square. S is proportional to. This was the case of stopping distance. Now, my dear friends, in this particular case, if I say, it says that we have got a car over here. Okay, we have got a car over here. And this car is moving at 40 km per hour. Okay, this car is moving at 40 km per hour. Applies brakes, and after applying brakes, it stops over here after 2 meters distance. Okay. Then it says that if the same car moves with a speed of 80 km per hour, 80 km per hour. Okay. What is the minimum distance after which it stops? So what is this distance after which it stops? Let's call this as S2. What is the minimum distance after which it stops? Tell me one thing. Sir, we say stopping distance is proportional to initial velocity square. So can I say, sir, S1 divided by S2? If I say distance covered over here, stopping distance over here, divided by stopping distance over here, this will be, sir, U1 square divided by U2 square over here. Okay. Or you can also write it something like this, my dear friends. See, when it comes to the S1, S1 is given over here 2 divided by, we say, S2. S1 is what? Distance covered in first case, that is 2 meters. Distance covered in second case, we have to find. Now it will be simply in this particular case. Sir, what is the U1? Velocity in the first case, that is we say 40 kilometer per hour. This is 40 square divided by u2. We say, sir, this is 80 square. Okay. Now, if you solve this, S2 will come out to be 8 meter. S2 will come out to be 8 meter. Is this clear? Means. If the same car is moving with a speed of 80 kilometer per hour, it will stop after 8 meters if you apply the brakes. Okay. Next question. This is important. In this case, you guys are supposed to tell me, listen to me very carefully. In which graph acceleration and velocity are in the opposite direction? In which graph acceleration and velocity are in the opposite direction? You have to tell me over here in which graph acceleration and velocity are in the opposite direction. This is the first graph we have. This is the second graph we have. This is the third graph we have. And this is the fourth graph we have. Tell me. See, I will tell you what is the logic that you will be using exactly over here. Listen to me very carefully. Guys, if I say we have got a car over here, okay? And this car is, let's suppose, moving with some velocity over here. And let's assume that you are applying some force in the same direction. So the direction of force is the direction of acceleration, means this will be the direction of acceleration. So if acceleration and velocity are in the same direction, we say here speed will increase. Okay. We say if you push this block in the same direction, its velocity will increase. Now, my dear friends, velocity increases when acceleration and velocity are in the same direction. Now, if I say we have got the same car over here, okay, and this car is moving in this direction and you are applying the force in opposite direction. We say, sir, in this case, acceleration will be also in the opposite direction because force and acceleration has the same direction. So, my dear friends, can I say in this case, we say, sir, speed will decrease or velocity will decrease. In this case, we say speed will decrease. So, if velocity and acceleration are opposite, we say in that case, speed decreases. Now, in all of these four graphs, you have to check in which graph the speed is decreasing. So, the graph in which speed is decreasing will tell you, sir, in that case, velocity is opposite to the acceleration. I hope you got the feel of the logic that I'm trying to say. Now, see, in this particular case, let's talk about the first graph. Sir, this is position time graph. In case of position time graph, we say, sir, slope is equal to velocity. Slope is equal to velocity. If I ask you, tell me what is the value of slope over here, you say, sir, you will draw a tangent and you check how much it is making with the x-axis. So then you will find the slope. And if I say at this point, what is the value of slope? You say, sir, slope at this point is, we say, 0. Slope means velocity at this point is 0. Initially, it does have some value of velocity, but finally the value of velocity is 0. So we say in this case, this speed is decreasing. So if it is decreasing, can I say, my dear friends, velocity and acceleration are opposite? A and B are opposite. So we say option A is the correct option. Let's check for the option B. Guys, in this particular case, if you check over here, slope is less. And if you check over here, slope is more. Slope is more at this point. So we say in this case, slope is increasing. Means we say, sir, velocity over here is increasing. So means if the velocity increases, listen to me very carefully. If velocity is increasing, if speed is increasing, we say velocity and acceleration are in the same direction. So we say in this case, velocity and acceleration are in the same direction. This is not the option. Similarly, if you check over here, guys, in this particular case, you say, sir, at this point, what is the value of slope? We say, sir, parallel. So we say slope in this case is 0. So velocity is 0. Now in this case, what is the value of slope? Sir, at this point, there is some slope, but slope is negative. Velocity in this case will be negative, but it has some value. Negative velocity means direction of velocity is left, but it has some value. So we say in this case also velocity is increasing. So this is not the case. Now check for this particular option. Sir, over here at this point, we say, sir, slope is 0. Okay. At this point, we say, sir, slope has got some value, so velocity has got some value. So we say in this case, velocity is decreasing. So this is also the option. Here also, velocity and acceleration are opposite. So in option A and option D, velocity and acceleration are opposite. Tell me in the chats, how many of you got the feel of this particular question? All the people out there, everyone. Tell me, guys, how many of you got the feel of this question? Now, next question we have over here. Find the average speed and velocity in 4 seconds. Find the average speed and velocity in 4 seconds. See. When it comes to the average speed, we say, sir, listen to me very carefully. We say, when it comes to the average speed means total distance traveled upon total time taken. Total distance traveled upon total time taken. Now, my dear friends, we have to find the total distance traveled in average speed in 4 seconds. So this is the 0th second and this is, we say, sir, 4 seconds over here. Now, in this particular case, can you tell me how much is the distance traveled in the 4 seconds? Guys, see, this is x and this is t. So when it was, we say, sir, 3 seconds, it is, we say, sir, 20. It is 20 is over here. Okay. So means at t is equal to 3 seconds, how much is the distance covered? We say, sir, 20 meters. Okay. And then once again, it basically comes back. It is like the car is moving in the right direction. Okay. And it moved. And it reached over here. Okay. This is, let's suppose it has covered 20 meters. Then it comes back and reached over here. Once again, 20 meters. So how much is the total distance traveled in this case? We say, sir, 40 meters. Divided by how much is the total time taken in this particular case? We say, sir, 4 seconds because total is 4. So it is, we say, sir, 10 meter per second. But when we talk about the average velocity, that is total displacement traveled upon total time taken. Total displacement traveled upon total time taken. How much is the total displacement traveled in this case? Guys, initially it is leaving, okay? The car is leaving from this point and it has covered 20 meters. It's coming back and reaching the same point over here. See, at 4 seconds, how much is what is the position? Position is 0. So we say, sir, total displacement traveled is in this case 0 divided by, we say, 4, it is 0 meter. So average velocity in this case is 0 and average speed in this case is 10 meter per second. Now, this is the question on graph convergence. Listen to me very carefully. You are given the acceleration time graph. This is the acceleration time graph. And you have to plot its velocity time graph. The answer is mentioned over here. I should not have mentioned the answer. Okay. Now see. Guys, in this particular case, acceleration time graph is given and you have to plot the velocity time graph. If acceleration time graph is given, if I say, what is the area under this acceleration time graph over here? What will you say? You say, sir, area under acceleration time graph represents, we say, sir, change in velocity. It represents change in velocity. And if you can find this area, this length is 2, this breadth is 5. 5 into 2 is, this area is 10. This area is minus 10 over here. Okay. Now, if area is minus 10 means in this case, change in velocity is, we say, sir, 10 over here in this particular case. And change in velocity in this particular case is minus 10. Okay. Now you have to draw the graph. How you can draw the graph? In that graph, the change in velocity should be 10. See, we will start the graph from the origin, something like this. This is the graph we are starting. And I am saying, this is the velocity time graph. What I am telling you in this case is, we say, sir, this will be the highest point and this is, we say, sir, 10 meter per second will be the velocity. Okay. If this is the 10 meter per second velocity, now, my dear friends, can you tell me, sir, from 0 to 2 seconds, how much is the change in velocity? You say, sir, that will be 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0 is 10. So see, that is change in velocity is 10. So the graph is something like this. And then we say, sir, acceleration from 2 to 4 seconds, this is the acceleration. So in this case, acceleration is, we say, sir, 0. Acceleration is, we say, sir, 0 from 2 to 4 seconds. So then I will make the graph something like this from 2 to 4 seconds, because velocity in this case is constant. When velocity is constant, then we say acceleration is 0. Then we say acceleration. And then we say, my dear friends, change in velocity from 4 to 6 seconds. From 4 seconds to 6 seconds, how much is the change in velocity? That is minus 10. So we will make the graph something like this. We will make the graph something like this. And this is, we say, sir, from 4 to 6, the graph is something like this. Can you find the value of change in velocity over here? See. We say, sir, change in velocity is V final minus V initial. Final velocity is how much at 6 seconds? It is 0. So it will be 0 minus. Initial velocity at 4 seconds is how much? We say, sir, 10. So we say, sir, it is 10. So it will be minus. See, in this case, change in velocity is. So for this graph, for this acceleration time graph, velocity time graph is this one. Tell me in the chats, is this clear? Is this clear, guys? All the people out there, is this crystalline clear? Is this clear? Everyone means everyone. Tell me. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next question we have over here. See, in this particular case, we are given a car starts from rest, accelerates uniformly. It is uniformly accelerating. After 4 seconds, then moves with a constant velocity. Then it moves with a constant velocity. We have to check which graph is correct over here. Guys, listen to me very carefully. Let's suppose if I make this graph, this is position time graph, x versus t, and the equation of this graph is x is equal to t square. The equation of this graph is x is equal to t square. I have told you before, if I find the velocity over here, that will be 2t. And if I find the acceleration over here, acceleration of this, that is differentiation of velocity, that is 2. So my dear friends, in this particular case, listen to me very carefully. So means acceleration is constant. In this graph, acceleration is constant. It says that a car starts from rest, accelerates uniformly. So in all of the 4 graphs, the answer has to be this and this. Okay. So this one is not correct. This one is not correct. Okay. Then it says, then moves with a uniform velocity. Now, guys, in this case, the graph becomes then parallel to x-axis. Means this is a rest. The car is at rest. But over here, you can clearly see that the graph is a straight line, something like this. So means in this case, velocity is constant. Okay, over here, acceleration is constant. So option number D is the correct option. Option D is the correct option. Okay. This is the question. A body is thrown vertically upwards. We have thrown a body vertically upwards. Okay. If we throw it vertically upwards, let's consider its velocity as positive. Because if a car moves in the right direction, we say its velocity is positive. A car moves towards left, its velocity is negative. And it goes, reaches the top, and then again falls back. When it falls back, we say its velocity becomes negative. And at the top, its velocity is 0. Now look at this particular graph in this case. Sir, initially, velocity has some value when you are throwing the ball in the upward direction. So see, initially in this graph, velocity has some value. And then velocity is decreasing, becomes 0. At top, velocity of the ball is, we say, sir, 0. So that's the reason over here on the graph, it is mentioned at top, it is 0. Then velocity is again increasing. but in the negative direction. See, in this case, velocity is, we say, sir, negative over here. Velocity is positive. So option 2 is the correct one. Is this clear? Is this clear? And for this acceleration time graph, this is its, we say, velocity time graph. If this is the acceleration time graph, this is its velocity time graph. Okay. Clearly, you can see already discussed over here. This is the same question which we have discussed over here. This one. Okay. Now, you have this particular question over here. You have this particular question. Just a second. Yeah. I want you guys to take a look at this particular graph. I want you guys to take a look at this particular. Acceleration time graph is given. You have to plot its velocity time graph, its corresponding velocity time graph. This one, option A, option B, option C, option D. This I am giving you as a homework over here. Homework over here. I want you guys to comment down the answer of this particular question once we end this live stream over here. And next we say, in this particular question, you guys are supposed to tell me at which point velocity is maximum and acceleration is maximum. At which point velocity is maximum and acceleration is maximum. This is a velocity time graph. Point B, point C, and point A. You have to tell me at which point we say velocity and acceleration both are maximum. At which point we say velocity, acceleration is maximum. Okay. Clearly, guys, over here, if you check the slope at this point, slope is more. Slope at this point is greater than the slope at this point and is greater than the slope at this point, because slope at this point is something like this. This is not having the good slope. This one is a greater slope. This one. Okay. So if slope in case of velocity time graph is more, so we say acceleration is more. So acceleration is more at this point B over here. And what about the velocity? Sir, it is a velocity time graph. Clearly we can see, sir, C point has more velocity. So we say velocity. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. This was all about it. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Make sure you like this particular session. Okay. And thank you so much. It was all about it. See you guys in the next session. Till then, bye-bye and take care. Okay. I'm ending the live stream. I'll call the Ambika ma'am. She'll take the class now. हाँ मैम हो गया मेरा हाँ मैं स्टॉप कर रहा हूँ हाँ ओके ओके
Can you see me, hear me? Can you see me, hear me? Hi everyone, can you see me, hear me? Yes. Hi, good evening, good evening, good evening. I hope you all are doing very well. Yes, I hope you all are doing very well. Let me read your chats. So guys, quickly share the session link with your friends and tell them that Ambika ma'am is going to start the class, and obviously let's practice the biology question that are also easy, hai na? Isn't it? So come and join in. Everyone come and join. Quick. I know in the morning I was not able to take body fluid and circulation class, okay, but don't worry about it people. I know that I was not able to complete the chapter. I apologize for that, but see, as promised, it will be done. I will take class on YouTube channel, or I will take it on platform, that too free of cost. I will share the link in the Telegram group so that you people will be updated. Okay, health is not well, not able to speak much. Okay, hope you guys can understand. Okay, so but was not ready to cancel the class because you know it breaks that flow, it breaks that rhythm. Already I postponed your class for one day, then I was not able to take it. Now if I will not be able to take your practice sessions, then obviously it will be a problem, है ना? That flow will not be there. How will you feel कि यार ठीक है, there is someone who's taking care of us, there is someone who's thinking about us. Okay, so my motivation is you people, so please promise me that madam, we will be with you and we will not going to leave you. We are going to solve the question, and it's biology, you know that we are not going to take much time even, है ना? We are not going to take much time even. What say people? What say? We'll finish it ASAP. What say? है ना? Ready? So are you all ready for the class? Are you all ready for the class? Yes. So can I start it? Okay, so how's the energy people? Mine is little low, right? My throat is in very bad condition, but theek hai. Okay, fine. I'll feel charged up if you people are charged up. So tell me, how's your energy people? How's your energy? How are you feeling? How's your preparation going on? Even we didn't discuss this chapter, but I'm pretty sure my students are revising it properly and they are going to answer the questions. And if you are not able to answer the question, guys, it's okay, it's fine, I'll complete it, and that's a promise, right? I rarely use the word promise. Okay, otherwise I always used to say ki yaar, I always say ki I'll try to do it. This is what I always say. But when I'm saying I promise, means I'm going to do that. Okay, it is already done, Kartika. It is already done on Unacademy platform. I still remember. Chalo. So let's start. So first thing is plasma. Okay. Yeah. So first thing is plasma contains which of the following mineral? It is the easiest one. We discussed it yesterday. Yes, Chinu bache, we discussed it yesterday. Plasma contains which of the following minerals? Yes, so it is all of these: sodium, calcium, magnesium, bicarbonate, chloride, iron. All are present in plasma. So give yourself +4. Give yourself +4 if it is correct. Now let's move to the next question. Clotting factors are present in. I will explain you the solutions. Don't worry, bacho. I'll explain you the solutions. So tell me, clotting factors they are present in. Yeah, clotting factors they are present in. Quick students, I know you know the answer. And trust me, I'll explain it to you. So tell me, clotting factors are present in. Yes, where are they present? I know my students can answer it. So guys, if you're targeting 360 out of 360, quickly answer it in the chat section. And you should know the reason as well. So clotting factors, they will be in. Yes, where are you going to get the clotting factors? Definitely in the plasma. Right, definitely in the plasma. Can you name any one clotting factor, students? Any one clotting factors, right? Remember yesterday we discussed it. Prothrombin is present, fibrinogen is present. Prothrombin is present, fibrinogen is present. Both are inactive. Okay, both are inactive, and you know that they are present in plasma. So 1 is the correct answer, plasma and in inactive form. Any doubt here? Any doubt here? So fibrinogen will form fibrin, and you know that fibrin is going to form that mash like structure, and that will actually form a clot. Is that clear? Chaliye, next question. Serum is, what is serum? Even that is what we have discussed in the last class. Yes, even that is what we have discussed in the last class. So what should be the correct answer? I know my students can answer it quickly, guys. Quick. Yes bache. Khushbu, Ashish, Chinu, Sophie, Ranjana, Shruti, VN, everyone. I know you know the answer, guys. Speed up. Right, let's take it as a target. Let's finish these questions in 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, that is what you have to do in your final paper, right? You are going to start with biology, then go for chemistry, then go for physics. This is my strategy. And students, when it comes to biology, practice biology that much that you will be able to finish it in 35 to 40 minutes. Then take your 10 minutes or even 10 minutes. It's a decent time. Even if you will get time, 10 minutes. For the 10 minutes, do check your answer, cross verify your answer, then start filling up the OMR sheet, and fill OMR sheet with utmost attention. Okay bache? So serum is what? Serum is plasma without clotting factors. So second should be our correct answer, isn't it? Second should be our correct answer. Done bache? So now let's move to the next part, that is leukocytes are. Okay, the fourth question. Leukocytes are white in color, nucleated, without hemoglobin, yeah, all of these. What are these leukocytes? Yes, what are these leukocytes? What are these leukocytes? Yes, are they WBCs? Yes, ma'am. Are they white in color? They are nucleated, without hemoglobin. Understood it is, right? Understood it is. Next, platelets are also called. Easiest question. Platelets are also called, and trust me, from this chapter, such simple questions you people are going to get. Okay, you people are literally going to get such simple questions. So platelets are what? They are the thrombocytes. What are they? They are the thrombocytes. What is their role? They will help in the clotting of protein. Guys, if there will be no blood clotting, can you tell me the name of the disease? Can you just tell me the name of the disease when there is no blood clotting? Ashish Yadav, I am from Bareilly. Okay? You talk to me, I am from Bareilly. So tell me everyone, thrombocytes, right? They will play role in clotting. So which disease? Very good, Mohammed Sazi. Very good, Deepshikha. Excellent, bache. Excellent, bache. Harika, Victor, Sophie. Yes, you are right. That is your bleeder's disease. That is your hemophilia. So always revise biology like this. Now let's move to the next question. Platelets are the cell fragments that are produced from. It is as such NCERT. It is as such NCERT. Platelets are the cell fragments that are produced from. Quick. That are produced from megakaryocytes. So tell me, platelets are nucleated or are they enucleated? Now, what are platelets? Are they nucleated or enucleated? What are they? Are they nucleated or are they enucleated? Hanji Ashish, sach mein. What are platelets? They are enucleated or non-nucleated. Yesterday, bache, we have discussed it. Now let's move to the next question. Antigens for blood group determination are present on. Where are antigens present? Yes, bache. Where are antigen present? Quick. Where are antigens present? Quick. Very good, excellent. So you know that when you talk about your RBC, right, the surface of RBC is having that proteins, right? The surface of RBC is having that proteins. It is having that antigens. Clear, bache? So if it is having antigen A, that person will have which blood group? That person will have which blood group? That person will have A blood group, right? That person will have A blood group, right? That person will have what? That person will have A blood group. Is that clear? And in the plasma, what you people are going to see? The plasma will have antibody against B blood group. So anti-B antibody will be there. Okay. So can you answer one question? Which blood group will show codominance? Which blood group will show codominance? Quick, which blood group will show codominance? It's a very simple question. Excellent, Victor bache, quite fast you are. It's AB blood group. Excellent. Next question. RH positive persons are nearly. Yes, RH positive persons are nearly. Yes bache, it is also simple, not much difficult. Yes, so yes, again 80% RH positive. You know na, on our RBC surface, it is not just that A and B antigen. We have one more antigen, that is the rhesus antigen. Okay, it was discovered in that rhesus monkey. So it is what? It is the rhesus antigen. Clear bache? So if rhesus antigen is present, that person will have the blood group RH positive. If it is absent, that person will have which blood group? It will be RH negative. Okay, now just say my blood group is AB positive. So I have 3 antigens on my RBC surface: antigen A, antigen B, antigen rhesus. Okay, so 80% of the population, they are 80% of the persons, they are having the rhesus positive blood group. Clear bache? Rhesus positive blood group. Clear bache? Right bache? And one more thing I would like to mention. So you know that O is considered as the universal donor, isn't it? O is considered as the universal donor, right? And literally it is the O negative. Why O negative? O negative means it is not even having the rhesus antigen, so there is no chance of agglutination if that particular person is having the negative blood group. Just say, let's suppose there is an accident, right? Someone there is an accident, okay? You have to take that person to the hospital. You don't know the blood group of that person, but immediately you have to do that blood transfusion. So what will you do? You can just give the O negative to that person, because that will make sure ki like, let's suppose that person is having blood group A negative or B negative. Very rare things I'm asking, I know. So basically it will be the O negative, means no antigen at all, so there will be no clumping, no agglutination in the body. That's what you have to remember. Understood? Now fibrins are formed by fibrinogens by the action of enzyme. Very good way to revise. Okay, very good way to revise the blood clotting. So fibrins are formed by fibrinogen by the action of enzyme. Excellent. Thrombin, right? So it is the fibrinogen. Who synthesized fibrinogen? Your liver. Who synthesized fibrinogen? Of course, the liver. Right, the liver. And it is what? It is inactive. Where is it present? It is present in plasma. So fibrinogen will get activated. It will form fibrin, which is insoluble. Remember, it is soluble, it is insoluble. Okay, it is insoluble. It will form that meshwork. So thrombin is the thing. Okay, thrombin is the thing. Okay, right? Thrombin is the thing that you have to take care. So fibrinogen, right, it will form fibrin, and obviously it is the thrombin which is present there. ठीक है बच्चे? Right? Okay. Dream stereoscope. Okay, you are having a very genuine concern, right? You are having a very genuine concern that out of top 500 questions, right, you are only taking few questions, right? First of all, when we are saying top 500 questions, so overall in this series, top 500 questions will be completed, bache. Overall in this series, let me make this thing very clear to you. Secondly, bache, even if I will, right, start practicing the 500 question, even 200 questions for biology, you people are not going to stay here with us. Okay, you people are not going to practice that with us. That is why PDFs, they are shared in the group, so that you can revise that question, you can practice that more and more questions. Okay, so chill bacha, chill, everything will be covered. Okay, so focus on the positive side. So liver is going to synthesize it, and in the plasma you are going to get it. Done bache? So thrombin is going to form the fibrin. So can you tell me the example of the iron? Can you tell me the example of the iron which is required for the blood clotting? Anyone in the class? Can you just tell me the example of the iron which is required for the blood clotting? Anyone in the class? Yes, example of iron which is required for the blood clotting. Exactly, calcium is very important. Okay, so can you tell me the vitamin which is required for the blood clotting? Can you tell me the vitamin which is required for the blood clotting? Vitamin K. What's that? That is vitamin K. Clear? Next question. Heart, deoxygenated blood to gills to oxygenated. What is that? What is that? What is that? Hanji, what is that? What is that? Exactly. Dekho, heart is pumping deoxygenated blood. Where is that deoxygenated blood going? Gills mein. Now gills are sending oxygenated blood. So basically oxygenation is taking place in the gills, right? Oxygenation is taking place in the gills. Then that blood will pass to the body. Okay, then that blood will pass to the body, and from the body parts to, right, the deoxygenated blood will go to the heart again. So when your heart is pumping deoxygenated blood, such heart is your venous heart. What type of heart it is? Venous heart. Where are you going to see it? In the fishes. So fishes are having the single circulation. Any doubt? Any doubt? Fishes are having the single circulation. Any doubt? Any doubt? Sure? Okay, so now let's move to the next question. The flow of blood in human heart is from, right? It is a very simple question, right? The flow of blood, yes bache, in human heart is from. Very simple question it is. Yes bache, the flow of blood in human heart, yes. Be very specific here, students. Be very specific here. Array, it's simple. You know na how I draw the heart. This. So right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle, left ventricle. So first of all, from the body, right, from the body. See, the trick is Lord. What's the trick? The trick is Lord. Means left side is having the oxygenated blood. Okay. Right side is having the deoxygenated blood. Fine, right side is having the deoxygenated blood. What is the trick, Leharika? What is the trick, bache? The trick is left side is having the oxygenated blood, right side is having the deoxygenated blood. Right. So what's the point here? Right, your right auricle will receive deoxygenated blood. So who's going to bring the deoxygenated blood to heart? Your veins. So if you remember, we talk about the systemic vein, right? We talk about the systemic vein, isn't it? Or if I have to elaborate it more, so you know that from heart muscles, your carotid veins, not the carotid, the coronary, right? The coronary sinus, that will bring the deoxygenated blood. Inferior vena cava, superior vena cava is there. So from right auricle, it will pass to right ventricle. Okay, right ventricle. And this is right means T. Remember T. Remember T. So which valve is present here? Here you are having the tricuspid valve, right? Tricuspid valve. And then bache, from right ventricle, we have to send it back to the lungs. Okay, so who's going to carry it? Your pulmonary, yes bache, pulmonary aorta. Okay, your pulmonary aorta, because this is an exception. This is the artery that carries the deoxygenated blood. So it is the pulmonary aorta which will carry it to the lungs. So after oxygenation, your pulmonary vein, okay, this is again the exception. This is the vein that carry oxygenated blood to left auricle, then to left ventricle. So here in between you are having the mitral valve or the bicuspid valve. Clear? Mitral valve and the bicuspid valve. So that's what you have to remember. And from left ventricle, it will pass, your dorsal aorta will carry it to the body, right? So that is how you have to remember it. Understood? That is how you have to remember it. Right? So what should be the answer here? What should be the answer here? Is it right? Is it right? Definitely it is. Now let's move to the next question, which is saying Purkinje fibers along with left and right bundle, what are they? Right, again a very easy question, and very easy question from this chapter in the final paper. Very easy questions they come. Obviously it is the bundle of hairs. So here what are you talking? You are talking about the nodal tissue. You are talking about the nodal tissue. So right side, okay, here you are having SA node, sino-auricular node. Remember, sino-auricular node. Do you remember, bache? Sino-auricular node, okay, which is also known as natural, natural pacemaker. Natural pacemaker. Clear, bache? So it will be there in the right side of the upper right corner of right atrium. So somewhere near to this, let's say this is the heart. Okay, let's consider this is the heart. So somewhere near to this auriculoventricular septum, here you will be having AV node. Okay, AV node. What will you have? AV node, auriculoventricular node, which is known as pace setter, right? So this is the special modified muscles that are auto excitable, that will start the wave of contraction by their own. So from this AV bundle, what do you have? From this AV node you will be having this AV bundle. So you know that how will it divide? It will be like this. It will be like this. So here you know that left and right bundle, and then here what do you have? You are having the Purkinje fibers, right? You are having the Purkinje fibers. Clear, bache? So this is the nodal tissue, right? This is the morphology of the nodal tissue. SA node, AV bundle, right and left bundle, and basically the Purkinje fiber which is there in the musculature of these ventricles. So that's what you people need to remember. Now let's move to the next part. What is ECG? Right, ECG stands for, clear, bache? ECG stands for, so out of the options given here, what should be the correct answer, students? What should be the correct answer out of all the options given here? Obviously it is the electrocardiograph, right? So graph is what? Graph is what? It is that instrument, okay? It is that instrument, right? So actually that result that you get, that is electrocardiogram. That instrument is electrocardiograph. Clear, bache? Chalo, next. Which of the following represents systemic circulation? Which of the following represents systemic circulation? Right? Which of the following represents systemic circulation? Quick. Systemic circulation is the word. Systemic circulation is the word. Yes, bache? The word is systemic circulation. Pulmonary mein lungs are involved. Now the word is systemic circulation. Look at the position of arrows as well. What should be the answer? Quick. Dekho, bache, your left ventricle will pass from aorta will pass the blood to the body parts. Then that deoxygenated blood with the help of veins, it will pass to your right auricle, right? It will pass to your right auricle. Am I right here or not? Right? Am I right here or not? Tell me. And then from right auricle, right ventricle, then from right ventricle it will pass to the lungs, and obviously your pulmonary aorta is going to do that. Then from lungs it will move to the left auricle, hai na? It will move to the left auricle. That is how the blood is going to flow. Left ventricle, dekho, the trick is Lord. Left side is having oxygenated blood. So left side, left ventricle se, basically the dorsal aorta will carry it to the body parts, the oxygenated blood. Then after, all that use, the veins will carry deoxygenated blood to the right auricle, and that is how it works. Am I right or wrong here? Am I right or wrong? Even if I am wrong, just tell me. Just tell me even if I am wrong. Even if I am wrong, just tell me ki Hanji madam, you are wrong. So they are saying which is representing the systemic circulation. So systemic circulation mein lungs are not going to be involved, right? So what should be there in the systemic circulation? What should be there in the systemic circulation? So should we consider the left atrium or what? Yes, tell me, what should we consider, right? Or you are not able to understand any option here, or you are not able to understand any option here, tell me. Guys, here instead of left auricle, left ventricle should be there, don't you think so? That will give it to dorsal aorta, to tissue, then to tissue, to vena cavas, will carry it to the right atrium. So this is how we can mark the third option. We can mark the third option, but here it should be left ventricle then. Okay, right? And even if it is the left auricle, so it should be understandable, left auricle to left ventricle to dorsal aorta. Okay, that's why this is the most relatable option that we have. Okay, now next, function of systemic circulation includes, yes, I think you all can answer this. Function of systemic circulation, sadhana bache, this is the flow, right? Left side, you know na trick, left side is having oxygenated blood, left auricle to left ventricle, then from left ventricle to the body part. So dorsal aorta is present there, that will give it to the body parts, then to veins, then to right auricle. This is just the flow of blood, sadhana. Can you understand now? Can you understand now? Now move to the next question. Function of systemic circulation includes. Function of systemic circulation include. What is the function of systemic circulation? What is the function of systemic circulation? What is the function of systemic circulation? Nutrient and oxygen supply to the tissue, carbon dioxide and harmful substance from tissue to lungs. Okay, not from the tissue, of course. So 1 and 2. Fourth is the correct answer. Next, which is not a component of atrial and the venous wall? Not a component of atrial and the venous wall. So basically, not even in the arteries, not even in the veins. What is not present? So students, you all can answer it. Yes, students, quickly answer it to me. Quickly answer it to me. It's very simple. Obviously, tunica externa, interna, media, we know, but there is nothing like this. So the second will be the correct answer. Now, normal activities of heart are dashed by nodal tissue. Normal activities of heart are dashed by nodal tissues. Yes, bache. Normal activities of heart are, yes, what should be the answer here? They are auto-regulated, है ना, by nodal tissue. So nodal tissue में SA node, AV bundle, right and left AV bundle. So basically it is bundle of his, and then comes the Purkinje fiber. Then comes the Purkinje fiber. That is what we have. Okay, this is the nodal tissue. This is the nodal tissue. Now let's move to the next question. Cardiac functions regulated by which part of the brain? Again a very simple question, guys. Again a very simple question. Cardiac functions are regulated by, Hanji, Sophie, Victor. Cardiac functions are regulated by, of course it is regulated by medulla oblongata, right? It is regulated by medulla oblongata, which is also having the respiratory center, which are also having the respiratory rhythm center. Understood? Understood. Next question. High BP affects which organ? High BP affects which organ? Anyone can answer it. Anyone can answer it. Yes, anyone can answer it. Of course, all of these. Now let's move to the next question. Atherosclerosis is caused by the deposits of dash in the blood vessel. Atherosclerosis is caused by the deposits of dash in the blood vessels. So as I said, disorders are important, right? Disorders are important. Do not forget the disorders ever. Do not forget the disorders ever. So atherosclerosis is caused when calcium and fat deposited, fibrous tissue, cholesterol. So here answer is all of these. So again I'm repeating this, bache, that you should write down all the disorders. You should write down all the disorders of the human physiology. Okay, chaliye, next question. Read the following statement and choose the correct option. So now let's practice the statement based question, and I'm pretty sure all of you can answer it. Yes, all of you can answer it. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option, guys. I'm pretty sure you can answer. Sorry. I'm pretty sure you all can answer. Yes, everyone in the class, everyone present here in the session, you need to answer this particular question, guys. You need to answer it. Plasma consists 45%. No, it should be 55%. है ना? It should be 55%. Fibrinogen, albumin and globulin are major proteins of plasma. Yes, they are. Albumin helps in osmotic balance and retention. Yes. Plasma without clotting factor. Yes. So B, C, D are correct. ठीक है? B, C, D are correct. Next. Read the following statement and choose which are not correct. So please make sure you don't miss these parts. Not correct. They are asking incorrect one. Okay, they are asking about the incorrect one. So answer this question. Answer this question, everyone. Quick. Answer this question. Anji, answer this question. Plasma has 90 to 92% of water and 6 to 8% true. Yes, it's a true statement. So that cannot be our answer. Erythrocytes are called as formed element and constitute 55% of the blood. Acha. Only RBCs. Granulocytes include, no, we have a trick. We have the trick Benji. So granulocytes are basophil, eosinophil and neutrophil, but not the monocyte. Okay, so that will be our answer because it is an incorrect statement. Reduction in number of platelet may cause excessive blood loss. Is it so? What that platelets are going to do? What that platelets are going to do? So you tell me, you know the answer, guys. You know the answer. You have to figure out the not correct, basically incorrect statement. So which statements are incorrect? Which statements are incorrect? Your B and C. Yes, your B and C. So second will be the correct answer. Your B and C, so second will be the correct answer. Now next question, choose the option which has all the correct statement related to ECG. Choose the options which are having all the correct statement related to ECG. Yes, bache, related to ECG. Quick, related to ECG. All the correct statement. Remember ECG. Huh? Something like this. P, Q, R, S, T. Okay. Right. So QRS complex represent polymerization of ventricles. Okay. It's a graphical representation of electrical activity. Okay. T wave represents end of, is it diastole or repolarization? So bache, when you answer such question, make sure you read all the points clearly. So it is the end of systole, isn't it? It is the end of systole. Systole, sir, S, sir, contraction. So diastole is relaxation. Okay, so number of QRS complexes equals to the number of heartbeat of an individual. So you have to figure out all the correct statement. So according to you, which one is correct? Yes, bache, which one is correct? Tell me quickly, which one is correct? I have already explained it to you. Yes, which one is correct? Seriously? Seriously? देखो बच्चे, QRS complex represents polarization. Is it polarization or is it a depolarization? I told you. Here I have given you the hint that read such statements carefully. Read such statements carefully. Depolarization should be there. So obviously A is also incorrect. So which one is correct, bache? Which one is correct? Your fourth. B is also correct and D is also correct. Right? So please make sure, please read such statements carefully. Systole, diastole, polarization, depolarization. Okay, you should not make the mistake here. Depolarization means the action potential is there, right bache? The contraction is there. Clear? So no need to get confused here. So QRS complex represent depolarization. So we have read this statement from NCERT so many times now. So we are like QRS complex, the polarization thing, it was there, but no, it is depolarization. It is depolarization. Okay. Next question. Given below are two statements. So it is the assertion and reason based question, and I'm pretty sure you guys can answer it. I'm pretty sure you people can answer it. Quick. quick. What should be the correct answer here? What should be the correct answer here? Yes. So SAN is called as a pacemaker. Yeah, it is sino-auricular node. SAN is responsible for initiating and maintaining the rhythm contractile activity. Yes. So SA node is called as the pacemaker because it is responsible for initiating. Yes, it is making the sense. Reason is explaining the assertion. So 3 should be the correct answer. What should be the correct answer? 3 should be the correct answer. Now, next, given below are 2 statements, assertion and reason based again. CAD, coronary artery diseases, are angina and they affect the blood vessels. So CAD is caused due to the calcium, fat, cholesterol and fibrous tissue deposition. So I think you all can again answer it. Yes, and make sure when you answer the question, here also the things are changed. Okay, so which one is incorrect, which one is correct? Which one is incorrect, which one is correct? So I think you all can answer it. Quick. Very good, very good, very good. What should be the answer? So CAD, coronary artery disease, is it angina? Angina is that chest pain. So assertion is incorrect. So I got my answer. I got my answer. Right? Chaliye, next question. Given below again are 2 statements. Again it is assertion and reason based question. So please read it and answer it to me. Please read it carefully and answer it. Yes, बच्चे. What should be the correct answer here? So amphibians and reptiles possess incomplete double circulation. Amphibians and reptiles, they possess incomplete double circulation. Is it so? Yes. 3-chambered, है ना? They are 3-chambered. They are incompletely 3-chambered. Deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood mixes in single ventricle and ventricle pump mixed blood. So yes, amphibian and reptiles, they are having the incomplete double circulation without any doubt, right? Because the blood will get mixed in the ventricle. They are 3-chambered now, so that will be the kind of diagram. So it will be mixed. So yes, the reason is explaining the assertion. So 4 should be the correct answer, right, bache? 4 should be the correct answer, right, bache? CAD affects blood vessel, that is fine, but is it angina that is CAD? Nahi na, nahi na, it is not the angina na bache. Chalo, so given below again are 2 statements. It is a statement based question. So what should be the correct answer here? Yes bache, what should be the correct answer here? Quick, what should be the correct answer here? What should be the correct answer here? Seriously, check it properly. Bache, see. Oh, I'm sorry. If father is RH negative and mother is RH positive, mother is RH positive, if that baby is RH positive, then also nothing is going to change. And if even that baby, dekho, that baby can have 2 possibilities, either plus, either minus. You know that plus is the dominant one, more chances will be there that baby will have rhesus positive blood group. Okay? Then comes the rhesus minus, rhesus negative. Okay? Then comes the rhesus minus, rhesus negative. So see, simple it is. If let's say if that baby is even having the rhesus negative blood group and that is growing within the mother's womb, it is not going to affect anything. Why? Because it is rhesus negative, means no rhesus antigen. So if that cells will come in mother circulation, because there is no antigen, there will be no response. Okay, so it is not going to observe. Don't you think so? This is incorrect. Now RH factor is found freely in blood plasma. Nahi yaar, it is also on RBC surface. So this should be the correct answer. This should be the correct answer. ठीक है, चलो move to the next question. Given below are two statements. Statement 1 is saying, right? Statement 1 is saying कि cardiac output is blood volume pumped by each ventricle per minute. Focus on everything. Focus on each and every line. Second statement is saying कि body has the ability to alter heart rate but not stroke volume. So which one is most appropriate? Which one is most appropriate? Yes. देखो बच्चे, seriously, are you serious? Cardiac output is the blood volume pumped by each ventricle per minute. If I say blood pumped by each ventricle per beat, what will it be? Tell me. What is it going to be? Hanji, what is it going to be? If I will say the blood, I hope you remember also, blood pumped by heart per beat is 70 ml. 70 ml on an average, you consider 72 heartbeats, and then approximately somewhere 5 liter. This is what we calculate, right? So cardiac output is actually, this is what the cardiac output is. So it is actually the blood pumped by each ventricle per minute. It is a correct statement. But bache, they are saying that body can alter heart rate but not the stroke volume. If heart rate is getting altered, the stroke volume will also alter. Why is it so? Why is it so? Bhai, it depends upon the need, the demand, the activity. No. So this statement is incorrect. So statement 1, sorry, second is the answer ki statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. ठीक है? Statement, right? Chaliye, next question. There are two statements. Sympathetic nervous system can increase the strength of contraction, and statement 2, adrenally medullary hormones can decrease cardiac output. So what should be the answer? What should be the answer? What should be the answer? Question number 29 it is. What should be the answer? Hanji, what should be the answer, guys? Question number 29 it is. Sympathetic nervous system, you know na, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic, fear and flight, fight and flight basically, and parasympathetic is rest and digest. So when you are calm, when you are not in a panic state, so obviously your heartbeat will be normal, right? So when there is a situation of fear, when there is a situation where you have to, because where you are out of your comfort zone, your heartbeat is going to be fast. Okay, so sympathetic nervous system, it can increase the strength of ventricular contraction and our cardiac output, of course, because the heartbeat will also be fast. And adrenally medullary hormones, you remember they are what? They are catecholamines. They are catecholamines. You are basically talking about the adrenaline and noradrenaline here. Okay, you will be talking about the adrenaline and noradrenaline here. Basically, they are epinephrine or non-epinephrine. Remember? So they decrease the cardiac output? No, because they will also be released in such responses. Okay, so they will increase it. So this statement is incorrect and this statement is correct. So second is again the correct answer. Okay, second is again the correct answer. Clear, bache? No, it is not option 1. It is not option 1. It is option number 2. Next question. Next question. Given below are two statements. Lymph, read it and answer it. Quick. Given below are two statements. Given below are two statements. Quick. Yes. Lymph is derived from the blood vascular system and again drain back to blood. True. Lymph is important carrier for nutrient hormones. Yes. So lymph is your middleman, right? Tissue fluid, right? Just say, let's say this is the blood vessel, it is having the blood. Here in the surrounding you are having a tissue which is a group of cell. In between you are having interstitial fluid. So it is not like that blood will directly exchange, that cell will directly exchange things with the blood. No, it will be passed to the tissue fluid, then to the cell. So tissue fluid is basically a middleman, and then when this fluid, it is drained. When this fluid, it is drained in the lymph vessel. When it is drained in the lymph vessel, it will be your lymph. Okay? So yes, it is even important carrier also. It is also derived from blood vascular system. So fourth is the correct answer. Now next question. During high blood pressure, regulation of heartbeat and circulation, they are controlled by. Yes, bache, they are controlled by. Quick. Yes, they are controlled by. Yes, bache, they are controlled by. Exactly, bache, Netra, cardio, inhibitory and vasodilator center. Right? So blood pressure is high blood pressure, high heartbeat will also be fast. It should be, right? We need to dilate the blood vessel so that it can come down. Okay, bache, so cardio, inhibitory and vasodilator it will be. Next, heart has to pump blood more forcibly in older person due to. This is related to the old age. This is related to the old age. What should be the answer, people, please? Yes, what should be the answer? What should be the answer? What should be the answer? Exactly, decreased elasticity of the arteries with the old age. So after the death of human, what is going to happen? What is going to happen? After the death of the individual, what is going to happen? A very common sense based question it is. A common sense based question it is. But remember this, if you don't know, that veins are full of blood while arteries, they are empty. Okay, veins are full of blood while arteries, they are empty. Clear, bache? They are empty. Next question. A diapedicis, we discussed it yesterday. Diapedicis, very good, Victor. You know, this is the blood capillary. Your WBCs will squeeze out. They are having amoeboid movement. They will squeeze out from this capillary, right? They will squeeze out from this capillary. They will pass to the vicinity then, right? So movement of some WBC to tissue through the wall of blood capillary to destroy harmful bacteria. This is what diapedicis is. So next, which one of the following anticoagulant is added in blood during storage? During storage, what we need to add? Okay, during storage of blood, what do we need to add? Yes, I know the answer and I'm pretty sure even you know it. Yes, even I'm pretty sure even you know it. The anticoagulant they are asking. Okay, the anticoagulant they are asking. So I'm sure you know the answer. Yes, it is the sodium oxalate. Okay, mark it, sodium oxalate. Next, which of the following WBCs are phagocytotic? I think you can answer it immediately. Which of the following are phagocytotic? The word is phagocytotic here. Exactly, monocyte and the neutrophils, A and B. We got our answer. Next, read the following statement. So such type of questions can take your time, but make sure when you answer such question, after reading the statement, do check it. What are they asking? Are they asking incorrect one or are they asking the correct one? Clear, bache? Because bache, that is its nature, Sangeeta. That is its nature. So what should be the correct answer? What should be the correct answer? Yes bache. So it's simple. RBCs are most abundant. Yes. A healthy adult man has on an average 5 billion. No, it should be 5 million. So make sure you read such statements carefully. Okay. So RBCs are formed in liver. No, it will be in the bone marrow. RBCs are devoid of nucleus in most of the mammal and biconcave. Yes. So basically your two statements. Okay, you have to tell the incorrect statement, right? So these two are incorrect, isn't it? These two are incorrect. So what should be the answer? This. Next question. Again the statement based question. Again you need to figure out the incorrect statement. Okay, you need to figure out the incorrect statement. So guys, be quick. You need to figure out the incorrect statement here. Yes. It is very simple. You have to figure out incorrect statement. This is incorrect. Fibrinogens are involved in defense mechanism. No, for the clotting. Globulins are there for defense mechanism. So it is also incorrect. 90 to 92% plasma is water. And yeah, plasma is a straw colored viscous liquid constituting 55% of the blood. Yes. So two statements are incorrect. So we got our answer. Okay, we got our answer. ठीक है बच्चे, चलिए let's move to the next question. Which is incorrect match for WBCs with its function? Right, WBCs with its function. So quick, with WBCs with its function, quick. Yes. Neutrophil phagocytotic, yes. Eosinophil resist infection and associated with allergy. E for allergy. Basophil will secrete histamine, serotonin, correct. T lymphocyte will produce antibody. No, it should be B lymphocyte, right? It should be B lymphocyte. Now in which of the following can increase the rate of heartbeat? Okay, we have just discussed it, so I think now you guys can answer. Yes, now you guys can answer. Yes बच्चे, such type of questions are very important for the revision of concept. हाँ जी, what should be the correct answer here? What should be the correct answer here? Exactly, sympathetic will increase heartbeat. Yes. Adrenal medullary hormones, yes. And thyroxine hormone. Jैसे if you have the issue related to your thyroid hormones na, thyroid gland, then heartbeat increases. So yes बच्चे, it will be A, C and E. Next, the second heart sound, the dub, is associated with the closure of. It is associated with the closure of. So basically Bollywood says it is dhak dhak. It is not dhak dhak. It is lub dub. It is lub dub. Right, Bollywood is very bad. क्यों? Bollywood is saying कि dhak dhak for the heartbeat. What do they say? They say dhak dhak, but it is not dhak dhak. It is dub, lub dub. So first heart sound is formed when there is the closure of auriculoventricular valves. ठीक है, जैसे your bicuspid and tricuspid, and dub will form when there is the closure of semilunar valves, right? So that's what you have to remember. So second heart sound 2 should be the answer. ठीक है, so match the column 1 with column 2. Yes people, match the column 1 with column 2. Yes बच्चे, match the column 1 with column 2. My favorite kind of question it is. So it's very simple. Pulmonary vein will carry oxygenated blood. B with 1. Wow. Thrombocytes, coagulation of blood. Yes. C with 4. So eliminate this and this. Right. Done. So second is the answer. So they are the simplest and the most easiest type of questions. Next, how much hemoglobin present in every 100 ml? Yesterday we discussed it. Correct. Next, identify A, B, C, D in the given diagram. What's A, what's B, what's C? Even if you know the A na, you can answer it. Hanji, what should be the correct answer, guys? What should be the correct answer? Try to figure it out. It is as per NCERT. It is as per NCERT. Dekho, mainly this C, is it the SA node? Yes, ma'am. It is the SA node. This D, it is the AV node, right? So 3 is the correct answer. 3 is the correct answer. Done. Next, which leukocytes are 60 to 65%? Again, a very simple question. Again, a very simple question. Which one is? Yes, bache. Which one is? Which leukocyte? Yes, students. Which leukocytes are 60 to 65% of the total WBCs? Of course, it is the neutrophil that is also phagocytotic. Next, which leukocytes are phagocytotic who destroy? Again, same answer, neutrophils. Next, which statement is correct? Now read it. Which statement is correct? Now read it. Quick. Which statement is correct? Which statement is correct, student? Students, which statement is correct? Simple. Healthy individual is having 20 to 25? Nope. 10 to 15. 12 to 15. Platelets are not involved. They are involved in coagulation of blood. Basophils are involved in inflammatory reactions. Yes. Lymphocytes are 90 to 95%. No. So correct statement is the third one. It is the third one. Next, which one has open circulatory system? Open, without an exception. Where will you see? Right, without any exception, where will you see the open circulatory system? Where will you see the open circulatory system? Yes, bache, where will you see the open circulatory system? In the insect. So phylum Arthropoda, without any exception, here all the members are going to have open circulatory system. They are going to have open circulatory system. Understood? Understood. Next question. Our heart normally beats how many times in a minute? How many times in a minute? Literally, do I need to answer it? 70 to 75 times. Next, blood is which type of tissue? Which type of tissue? Blood is which type of tissue? Which type of tissue? Connective tissue, right? Vascular connective tissue it is. And it is without what? Without fibroblast or without fibers? What is it? It is the line given in structural organization of animal chapter. Read it, comment it in the comment section. And I don't know why you people don't put comments in the comment section. If you like the session, if you love your teacher, if you're actually getting benefit out of it, so I think we are not expecting for much. Hena? You can just write one comment for us, one lovely comment. So I'll be waiting one, cute sa emoji for me in the chat section. Chalo, next. Which is not a granulocyte. Not a granulocyte means it should be a granulocyte. So what's the trick that we have? MLA. So what should be the answer? What should be the answer? 1 should be the answer. Right? 1 should be the answer. Next, which type of WBCs are concerned with release of histamine and the natural anticoagulant heparin? It is a repeated question, guys. It is a repeated question. Exactly, basophil it is. Next, mark the odd one out. Mark the odd one out. Right, guys, increase your speed. Biology questions are like this only. You have to see it, you have to answer. You have to see it, you have to answer. Mark the odd one out. Odd one out, odd one out. It is third now. 3 are WBCs, right? And only this one is the RBC. Next, the metal associated with hemoglobin. The metal associated with hemoglobin. Even a student of 7th, 8th standard can answer it. Even a student of 7th, 8th standard can answer it. Exactly, iron. Identify A, B and C. I know the answer. I know the answer. Quick. What is the correct answer here? What is the correct answer? And do let me know your score as well. Do let me know your score as well. So it's simple now, it is blood capillary. Here the lumen is wide, so it will be your vein. Here the lumen is narrow, it will be your artery. And what's that? This is the capillary, so it is 1, right? So which leukocytes are 0.5 to 1%? So somewhere you can say less than 1%, right? The least abundant leukocyte, the least abundant leukocyte is your basophil. Next, bicuspid valves, they are found in between. Hanji, Christine, Victor, Zuara, Elamethy, VN, Leharika, Netra. What should be the answer here? Bicuspid valves, they are found between, yes, bicuspid, left atrium and left ventricle, isn't it? Left artery and left ventricle, isn't it? And it is also known as mitral valve. It is also known as mitral valve. Clear? Next, if due to some injury the chordae tendineae, remember chordae tendineae, जैसे you make triangular papillary muscle, then chordae tendineae, these are your valves. So due to some injury, the chordae tendineae of the tricuspid valve of the human heart, if they are partially non-functional, then what will be the immediate thing that is going to happen? Quick. Chordae tendineae is the word. Chordae tendineae is the word. Yes, bache. The flow of blood in the pulmonary artery will be reduced. Okay. Flow of blood in the aorta will be slowed down. The pacemaker will stop working. The blood will tend to flow back into the atrium. That is not going to happen कि blood will go back to the atrium. Neither it is going to affect the pacemaker. Flow of blood into the aorta will be slowed down. Your flow of blood into the pulmonary artery will be reduced. So what has happened? Tricuspid. See, they are talking about the tricuspid valve, means they are talking about the right side, which is having deoxygenated blood. So definitely it is going to, right, the flow of the blood into the pulmonary artery will be reduced, because here in the question they have specified tricuspid valve. Chordae tendineae are present in towards the left and the right side both, but main it is because they have specified tricuspid, that is why it is in the pulmonary artery. Clear, bache? So what happens when the pacemaker is non-functional? What happens when the pacemaker is non-functional? What happens when the pacemaker is non-functional? When the pacemaker is non-functional, obviously pacemaker is the one which is going to start the heartbeat, right? It is the one which will start the heartbeat. SA node is the pacemaker, right? It is actually auto-excitable, so cardiac muscle will not coordinate in a coordinated manner if this will happen. Okay? Next question, which one is the correct statement? Which one is the correct statement here, students? Which one is the correct statement here? Quick, which one is a correct statement here? Focus. Exactly. One cardiac cycle is completed in 0.8 seconds. Column and carne, they are present in the ventricles, not in the auricles. Both are correct. But this one and this one is incorrect. So T wave represents the end of systole, end of the depolarization. That's what you have to remember, and you know that what's the error here. Okay, chaliye. A heart murmur indicates a defect in, very good. A heart murmur, it indicates a defect in, I think you all can answer it. A heart murmur indicates the defect in, yes. Where is the defect? In the heart valves. Next, which is a correct statement? Which is the correct statement? Yes, bache, which is the correct statement? So it is systemic heart is the left side. Yes. Purkinje fibers in the present in the heart of Hydra, which is very simple. Here you will just see the diffused network, right? It is sealant trait, so this is not right. Cockroach has closed, never. It is open vascular system. So coronary artery supply blood to heart muscles, yes, right? So A and D, they are correct. A and D, they are correct. Okay. Chaliye, next question. Which one is a wrong statement? Which one is a wrong statement? Yes, students, which one is a wrong statement? Which one is the incorrect one? Wrong statement you have to mention, not the correct one, but the incorrect one. ECG has no clinical importance, it is incorrect. Okay. And spleen is graveyard. Arteriosclerosis is also thickening. Oxytocin is having an effect on heartbeat. How come it is possible? Oxytocin acts on the smooth muscles. Where will it act? It will act on the smooth muscles. Okay, for its rhythmic contraction and relaxation. So if it will act on that blood capillaries, right, blood vessels, they are also having that smooth muscles. So obviously blood flow, heartbeat, they are related. So that's why only A is the wrong statement here. Next, element play a role in blood clotting. Just now we discussed, it is going to be calcium. Okay. Then which valve are closed during left ventricular systole? Anji, left side bache, right? But they are saying left ventricular systole. They are saying left ventricular systole. Left ventricular systole. So obviously it is the bicuspid valve, also known as the mitral valve. So that's it, that's all. Okay. Rest. Okay. So I will share the PDF in the Telegram group. Okay. It is also having the answers. Then remaining question, you please solve them. Okay. So because if I will extend the session duration, then tomorrow I will not be able to take the class. Okay. Because I'm speaking, I'm not able to speak properly. You all can see as well. So if I will increase the duration, so tomorrow I will not be able to take any class. So I have to save it, okay, for tomorrow as well. So guys, this is my advice. Please take care of your health, right? You have to write an exam, so you need to be healthy. If you will fall sick, then obviously your preparation time will be affected. So please take care of yourself, okay? Take care of yourself, and just stay tuned. Now your HSP sir will come and he'll be practicing the question. Let me inform him as well. So you please take care. Bye bye. Tada. Thank you so much.
Hello, hello. Am I audible to all of you? Can you hear me, all my dear students? Am I audible to each and everyone? Do let me know, all my dear students. Yay! This is your Baba HSP, all my dear students. Welcome once again to Unacademy NEET English channel. Just to let me know, everyone, can you hear me? Can you see me? And Baba is over here with NCRT based most expected questions based on alkyne benzene new questions. Right now, just 3 hours back, I made all these questions. As I can see, the green signal in the chat section is indicating that everyone can hear me, can see me. So is everyone ready for the questions? Have you had water, some snacks, so that you can keep yourself hydrated? All my dear students, suswagatam, welcome, vanakkam, good evening, jo bole so nihal, sat sri akal, walaikum salam, assalamu alaikum, suswagatam, all my dear students. So are you ready for the questions? If everyone is ready, show me some fire in the chat section. Baba want to see some fire in the chat section so that I can give you questions and sit with pen and copy so that you can check out whether your answer is right or wrong. Whether you are getting the right answer or wrong answer. Yes, my dear students, let me see in the chat section that everything is okay, fit and fine. Tejashwini, Shivali Bhattacharya, Antriksh, Abhinay, Shivaji, everyone is ready. So everyone is ready. So Baba is going to start with the question. Just see, here is question number 1 on your screen. You can see this is question number 1. Everyone just see to it and answer it. Let me check it out whether you are going to get the correct answer or not. Let me sit over here and just let me check it out who is going to give the correct answer. You can see all the questions are absolutely new questions. Madhubala is going for D. Jyoti is going for B. Okay. So let's see what is being the correct answer. Most of the students are going for D. Some are going for A also. Computer ji, please show the correct answer. Yeah, D is the correct answer. So my dear students, you know that this is an example of electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction will definitely retain the benzene's aromaticity and you will get product like this. This is your hexachlorobenzene, and this is being aromatic compound. In the examination, most of the questions, they lose marks because they are not able to do this question. Now, question number 2. Just see. All the questions, they are from your NCRT based questions. Now, see to it and just try to find out what should be the answer by these students. And don't forget to show fire or hearts if your answer is right. If your answer is right, I want to see hearts for you people, and if your answer is wrong, show some fire. Kids are going for D. Most of the kids are going for D, but some are going for B also. Let's see what is the correct answer. Hey, all of these is being the correct answer by these students. Just see, this is an example of free radical addition reaction because heat is there. So photochemically, this reaction will proceed. Photochemically, this reaction is going to get proceeded. And my dear friends, in this compound, it is not benzene. Remember that this is not benzene. HCl, 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 and HCl. So my dear students, hydrogen, chlorine, hydrogen, chlorine, hydrogen, chlorine, hydrogen, chlorine, hydrogen, chlorine. It's not aromatic. And let me tell you, my dear students, it is C6H6Cl6. The earlier one was C6Cl6, double six. It was double six, C6Cl6, but here it is C6H6Cl6, also known as triple six. I hope that this is very much clear to each and everyone, my dear students. Now, another question. Remember that number of times examiner has asked benzene hexachloride. Its name is having benzene hexachloride. See, its name is having benzene. Benzene hexachloride is the name. Benzene hexachloride. Too much confusing name, but it's not benzene. It's not benzene. It's not benzene. Assertion reasoning, they have asked the question, benzene hexachloride is aromatic, and the reason they have given, it follows Huckel's rule and being plainer. Don't get confused. It's not aromatic. Now another question. Oh, let me move aside. You can see, and it will take some time. This question will definitely take some time. Let me see in the chat section who is going to give the correct answer, my dear friends, for this question. Yeah, Antriksh, you are right. That was derived from benzene, that's why. TK UPSC, 100%, that's really awesome, and I want to see the correct answer for this question. Shivaji Bhattacharya ji, yes, Baba is waiting for your answer. A. Harshita is going for A, my dear friend. Harshita is going for A. Everyone now is going for A. Now let me check it out. What is being the correct answer? The correct answer, C. Oh, that's really it. A is the correct answer. Now let me find out how you did it. Benzene, this will be nitrobenzene, right kids? Nitrobenzene, reduction, aniline, NaNO2, benzene diazonium chloride, fluorobenzene, because that is Bal-Schimann reaction, right? Fluorobenzene, NaOH, Dawes process, this is phenol, and phenol on reaction with the zinc dust, definitely you will get benzene. From where we have started, we got the answer, same answer. Now, oh, it's even more lengthier. It's even more lengthier. Just see to it, kids. Who is going to solve this question? These are mind map based questions, and I have given you mind maps, kids. I took one special session as a special class, and there I have given mind map kits, mind map based question. Let me see who is going to give the correct answer for this question. This is a really awesome question, my dear students. Really awesome question. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer. Who is going to be the winner for this question, my dear students. Baba is waiting for your answer. This question's answer, who is going to give the correct answer, my dear? Let me check it out. Yes, kids. Fast. Baba is waiting for your answer because question is on full board. That's why Baba is out of the frame so that clearly you can see. I don't want to be the act as the obstacle in between you and the question. Upendra Meena is going for ethane. Madhubala is going for butane. Most of the students are going for A as the correct answer. Now, computer, please show them the correct answer. What is the correct answer? Yeah. Everyone, give hearts to yourself. If your answer is correct, ethane is correct, then give hearts to yourself, those who have given the correct answer. This is ethylene bromide, NaNH2X's. So you will get Na, C triple bond CNA. Now ethyl chloride, you will get this side ethyl, C triple bond C ethyl. Means how many carbons? 2 and 2, 4 and 2, 6 carbons. H2PD, alkene ozonolysis. That means on ozonolysis, first of all, let me write down C2H5. CH, double bond CH, C2H5, and ozonolysis you will get CH3, CH2, CH double bond, or 2 moles of this. Now, okay, see, this is water, oxidative ozonolysis. So this will convert with the help of H2O2 acetic acid, sorry, propanoic acid, CH3, CH2, COH. And now soda lime reaction. Soda lime reaction, what will you get? Get soda lime reaction, you will get ethane, C2H6, Cl2H new free radical substitution reaction, you will get C2H5 Cl, and this is C2H6. Now, my dear friends, first of all, do let me know in the chat section that really whatever was written in the starting, that these are new questions. As I have shown you over here, just see, these are new questions. Baba made these questions. I was true. Really have done a hard work. I made new questions or not. These are NCERT based questions or not. These are most expected and these are the best questions for a revision or not. First of all, do let me know in the chat section. If you are agreed, show me green, white, blue, red hearts, whatever the hearts, show me. I will see that yes, really Baba has done a lot of hard work, and then only Baba is going to proceed. I want to see in the chat section. These are not one question. These are many questions and combined questions. If you're really liking these questions, Baba want to see hearts in the chat section for Baba's efforts, great efforts. Baba want to see. If you are really agreed, if you mean that yes, nowhere, no channel in the whole world is there who is going to give you such type of quality. This quality you will get only, yes, at this particular Unacademy NEET English channel. This channel is for both, whether you are preparing for IIT, JEE, JEE Advanced, whatever examination. Right. So, here is another question. See, which will not decolorize bromine water? What's your answer? What's your answer? Kids are going for CDC. CDC. So let me check it out. What's the correct answer? Correct answer is all of these. See, it is saturated CH3, CH3, no pi bond. Butane saturated, no pi bond. No pi bond. This is being unsaturated, but because of aromaticity character, it is aromatic, its pi bonds are highly delocalized, because it is being aromatic, so it will not decolorize bromine water. Now, my dear friends, benzene will not decolorize bromine water, naphthalene will not decolorize bromine water. But if more than 2 benzene rings are condensed, remember that this I am telling you hi-fi thing. If more than 2 benzene rings are being condensed, then they will start decolorizing bromine water because their reactivity increases. It is given in the box in NCERT in blue box, right hand side, that they become toxic, carcinogenic, and their reactivity gets increased. So, benzene will not decolorize bromine water, naphthalene will not decolorize bromine water, but the higher condensed rings will definitely decolorize bromine water. Now, another question. An organic compound A, on doing this reaction, gives hexane diol. What is this organic compound A? What is this compound A? Kids, find out this A compound is. I want to see answer in the chat section. What is this A, kids? Yes, everyone. What is A? Let me see. What is being A? Everyone is going for C. Let me check it out. Oh, answer is being D, kids. Answer is being D. Most of the students were going for C. Now let me tell you, if you are going for C, then you must have got only one side CHO. But see, hexane diol. What is hexane diol? CH double bond O, CH2, 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 CH2 and CH double bond O, both side. So definitely if you take cyclohexene, and if you do ozonolysis, this bond will break from here and you will get both sides CHO. Agreed? So this is cyclohexene. This is cyclohexene. Agreed or not? Everyone agreed? And before this, one kid is asking, Antriksh is asking, what is being condensed? The meaning of condensed. Condensed means together. Like if I say the two benzene rings are like this, these are condensed. But if I write like this, they are not condensed. Not condensed. Not condensed means if I say two benzene rings, 4 carbon, 2, 10 carbons, but here 12 carbons. Can you see this is condensed? That is not condensed. Antriksh, is it okay? Is it clear? Yeah, together means condensed. Now here is another question. Do it in a better way, kids, to get the correct answer. Earlier, you haven't got the correct answer. Now, let's see who is going to get the correct answer, my dear friends. Yeah, Harshita, these are very important questions for NEET as well as JEE. For both type of examinations, these questions are really holds a whole lot of weightage, my dear friends. Madhuwala is going for C. Let's see who is going to get the correct answer. Alkene is going for A. Nitra is going for C. So computer, please show them the correct answer. What is being the correct answer? The correct answer is C. So congratulations. First of all, those who got the correct answer, show to yourself either fire or the heart. Now, let me explain how to do this question. This type of question, how you will do. See kids, acetone. If you remember the formula of acetone, glyoxyl formaldehyde. Acetone is like this. Glyoxyl is like this. These are the general names. So always remember these names: acetone, glyoxyl, and formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is this. Now, my dear student, what you are supposed to do? Just remove their oxygen. Just remove their oxygen and press them. Press them. Press them. They will come close. Close. So once they are coming closer, you will get CH3, CH3, C double bond CH, CH double bond CH2. This is your answer. This is being your answer. Now let's see where it is given. See, just reversed, and if nothing is placed, this means methyl. I'm not adding right now. Itself that means methyl. 2 methyl, double bond, you can see. 2-methyl, double bond, single double bond. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? All of you got it? Is everyone able to understand? Now another question. Here is another question on your screen. Toluene. Toluene spelling is wrong. Toluene. 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 Now, on ozonolysis will give you what? I want to see the correct answer in the chat section, my dear student. So let me sit and see the screen. What the answer in the comment section kids are going to give. All my dear students. Let me check it out. Madhubala is going for B, Antriksh is going for B, Netra is going for D. Oh my God, 2 students are, Ilamithi is going for D, Jyoti is going for B. Most of these students are going for B, but 2 students are going for D. Computer, please show them the correct answer. Oh my God. Whenever all of these is given, most of the students' favorite choice is all of these. But remember that all of these is not always correct. See kids, this is toluene. Let me draw toluene. What is toluene? Just see and how to answer this question, my dear friends. This is toluene. Can you see the board? This is being toluene, my dear friends. Right? Now, when you do the ozonolysis, how the ozonolysis is going to take place? The bond will break from here, the bond will break from here, the bond will break from here. Here is CH, 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 and there is only carbon. When the bond is going to break, my dear friends, see what is going to happen. See what is going to happen. The bond will break. Ting, 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 tick, 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 tick. The bond will break. Ting, 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 ting. The bond will break. Tick, 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 tick. Now, just place oxygen from where bond has broken. Double bondo, double bondo, double bondo, double bondo, double bondo, double bond. Now, you can't see what is this. This is written CH double bondo, CH double bondo. This is known as glyoxyl. This is also glyoxyl. But see in this glyoxyl, this is like this C double bond O, CH double bond O and CH3. One methyl is extra. So this is methyl glyoxyl. Now my dear students, methyl glyoxyl and glyoxyl. Glyoxyl plus methyl glyoxyl is the answer. So, methyl glyoxyl and glyoxyl. See, this is wrong. Acetone you will not get. This is wrong. Acetaldehyde you will not get. So, all of this is not possible. This is the answer. Everyone got it, kids? Are you able to understand? Do let me know. Is everyone? Now, another question on your screen. $1,000,000 question. Just see to it and try to understand what's the correct answer. I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, Laharika, very good. Antriksh, yes. Madhubala, that's really awesome. All the questions holds a hell lot of weightage because Baba has added too much efforts, kids. Too much effort. Baba is waiting for the correct answer. Orthoxylene. This question is rank deciding question, kids. Before giving answer, think twice. This is rank deciding question. Antriksh is going for D. Apurva Verma is going for A. Shivaji Bhattacharya is going for A. Victor Tha, fourth Laharika C. So I have told you this is rank deciding question, kids. Take care while giving answer. Many of you will get the wrong answer, kids. Just see to it, kids. So, computer, please show them the correct answer. All of these. Why this is a rank deciding question? Let me show you, kids. Let me show you. Let me show you. Actually, this question is $1,000,000 question. Why? Why? What thing is making it to be $1,000,000 question? This is, first of all, you should know, this is known as orthoxylene. This is orthoxylene. Now, double bond position is not fixed. The double bond is delocalized, that is doing resonance. Sometimes here, sometimes there. So, these two are resonating structures. First of all, you should know, the examiner was asking, do you know that benzene's double bond, they are not fixed, they are doing resonance. Now, you have to do the ozone analysis. This will break, this will break, this will break. From there, they will remain intact. So, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3, CH3. So, on glyoxyl, you got 2 methyl, so its name is dimethyl glyoxyl. Dimethyl glyoxyl, my dear friends. Now, it will break from, it's intact. So, it will break from here. You will get glyoxyl. That means 2 moles. You will get CH double bond O, CH double bond O. So, from this structure, you got 2 types of compounds, dimethyl glyoxyl and glyoxyl. Am I right, kids? From the first structure, you got 2 types of compounds, that is being glyoxyl and dimethyl glyoxyl. Now, from the second, it will break from here. It will break from here. It will break from here. This will remain intact. That means this carbon, this CH3 will be there. This side double bond O and CH double bond O. You can see only one side methyl. So, methyl glyoxyl. This will also give methyl glyoxyl and this will give you glyoxyl. So, from this, you will get 2 moles of methyl glyoxyl and 1 mole of glyoxyl. So, glyoxyl is being common. So, you got dimethyl glyoxyl, you got glyoxyl and you got methyl glyoxyl. This question was really rank deciding question. How many of you got the correct answer? Just Baba want to see the green hearts or the fire in the chat section. If your right answer, green hearts. If your answer is wrong, fire. Then Baba is going to deal with another question. Yes, oh ho. Once again, rank deciding question. Let's see who is going to get the correct answer for this question. Once again, $1,000,000 question, kids. Very awesome questions. All these questions are really awesome. Very good, students. I can see the sign. So, kids are really awesome. Now, Madhuwala is going for C. Let me check your answers, kids. Who is going to give the correct answer? Madhuwala is going for C. Pavish Vijay is going for E. Victor Anita is going for C. Let me check what is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Now, see, my dear students, only 1 mole of ozone. If any compound is consuming only 1 mole of ozone, that means what? And it is giving glyoxyl 2 moles. Then how is it possible? That butene is like this, CH3, CH double bond CH3, it will give you esteraldehyde, so it's not the answer. Butadiene is like this, CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2, it will give you propanol and formaldehyde. This is not the answer. Butene diol. Butene diol is like this, my dear friends. CH double bond CH and CH double bond O. Now you can see, if you break it from here, you will get 2 moles of glyoxal, and that's why this is being the correct answer. I hope that everyone is able to see the correct answer and get the correct answer. Now another question on your screen. Which will react with AgNO3 plus ammonium hydroxide? That means which will give positive tolerance test. This is known as positive tolerance test. Now, what's your answer? What's your answer? Just do let me know what's the correct answer, my dear friends. Baba is waiting for your answer. Do let me know. C. Everyone is going for C. Yes, C is the correct answer because it is having acidic hydrogen. The hydrogen attached with triple bonded carbon, this is sp hybridized. This will not give alkene. This is triple bonded, but this carbon is not having hydrogen, and these carbons are being sp3 hybridized. They will not give, and all of these can't be the answer. Now another question, my dear friends, which will not give white ppt with AgNO3? There was which will react with. Here is which will not give white ppt. So what's the answer? I'm waiting for your answer, kids. What's the correct answer? Do let me know. Everyone. Most of the students are going for A. Some are going for 3. Now I have to see the screen. I have to sit in front of screen just to check the correct answer, kids. Antriksh is going for C. Shanu Rahman is going for 3. That is C. Apurva is going, most of the students A and C. That's tie in between A and C. So computer, please show the correct answer. C is the correct answer. C, kids. This is triple bonded carbon. So these hydrogens are acidic hydrogen because it is being sp hybridized. So these are being acidic hydrogens. Acidic hydrogen. So we'll give acetylene is same. Acetylene is this only. Its name is coming in, but this is ethine. Acetylene is ethine. So most of the students may get confused. Now butene. Butene is not having any acidic hydrogen, so it will not give. So let me rub this stick because it will give. But they have asked which will not give, not give. So this will not give. And propine, propine is having acidic hydrogen CH3, C triple bond CH. This is acidic hydrogen, so it will give. Okay, kids? I hope that everyone got it. Next question. Oh, this is really awesome question. Now let's see who can do this question. This is really awesome question. Now let me check it out. Who is going to give the correct answer for this question, my dear? Yes. Baba is waiting for your answer, my dear. Antrich is going for C. Shanun Rahman, no idea. Very good. Because this is really awesome. If you don't know, then at least you will not get negative marks. RN Sani is going for B. I think this question is going to be rank deciding. Madhuwala is going for C. Now, computer, please show the correct answer. Now, the answer is, kids, hydrogen. Just remember that. The question is asking at cathode you will get which gas? My dear students, if you do the Kolbe's electrolysis, this is question based on Kolbe's electrolysis, right? Now it will break from here and will break from here, and you will get this acetylene gas plus 2 moles of carbon dioxide, but these two you will get at anode, and in the solution you will get KOH, and water is there, hydrogen gas you will get at cathode. Examiner has asked what? That at cathode which gas you will get. So most of the students, they got failed even though they were knowing the answer, but they have not seen at cathode. Examiner has asked the gas at cathode, and that's why you got failed. Kids, are you getting my point? How many of you got failed in this question? Show me fire. If you got passed, anyone who has got the correct answer, show the green heart. If you got failed, I want to see the fire in the chat section. Yes, kids. Because this question was easy. This question was really easy, but most of you got failed. See, I can see the fire in the chat section. So remember, make a note in your diary that this question was easy, but I got failed. I got failed. Now, another question on your screen. Potassium malate. You don't know what is the formula of potassium malate, then that will be a problem. Then that could be a problem. Now, let me check it out. Who is going to give the correct answer for this question? Baba is waiting for your answer, my dear students. Now, this question is also going to be a game changer. All questions are really super duper questions. They will change your life because all these are based on NCE. Aryan Sani is going for C. Tanu Rahman is also going for C. Antriksh is also going for C. Everyone is going for C. When everyone is going for C, computer, please show them the correct answer. I'm waiting for Madhubala also. Madhubala's answer I haven't got till now. So I will wait because students, if they are taking time, no problem at all. But answer should be correct. Homelander is going for D. So see, one answer is different from others. When everyone was getting C, one kid got D. Homelander is getting D. Now I'm waiting for other students. Is there any other different answer that can change your life? Because accuracy is better than speed. Accuracy. Now, my dear students, if you want to change the answer, you can change. I'm not saying you should change. Let me write down the formula of potassium malate. This is potassium malate. Potassium malate. This is being potassium malate, and water is written over here. Water is written over here, and the current. So, if you don't know, you are not having an idea about the formula, the structure, I have given that. Now let me check it out. Chanu Rahman is saying that I am getting confused in between B and C. Madhubala is going for D. Now most of the students are going for D. Now my dear students, by seeing your chat section, I have got an idea that you know the science, but you are getting confused when it comes related with the structure. I think so. How many of you are agreed? First of all, I'm not going to show you the answer, but if you are really agreed that you know the science, most of the times you know the science, you know how to do it, how to proceed, you know the mechanism also, but you are stuck with these structures. Am I right, kids? Am I making sense? My psychology is correct or not? So now, my dear students, the answer is it will break from here. It will give acetylene. It will give 2 moles of carbon dioxide. It will give 2 moles of KOH in the solution. So pH will increase. And at cathode, you will get hydrogen gas. So the answer will be definitely what? Acetylene, 2 moles of carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas. D is the correct answer. How many of you got the correct answer? Now I can understand, once you know the structure, you are able to find out the answer. Now see, first of all, do let me know, will you get these many questions? When I taught this chapter, I have given you new questions. I framed out new questions. When I taught alkene, I have given you new questions. Today also, Baba is giving you new questions. Will you get these questions in any book? You will get anywhere on YT? Will you get anywhere in offline centers? First of all, do let me know. These many questions on hydrocarbon topic, will you get anywhere? No one is going to give you, kids. Know where you are going to get. Now, oh, this is a lengthy question. This is being lengthy question. So Baba will sit in front of screen and wait for the correct answer, kids. Everyone, just try it out. Yes, everyone. Is a bit lengthy, so take care of your accuracy, because accuracy is more important than speed. Once the accuracy is there, speed will automatically come. Target is to reach up to F. What is being F? That is the question. You have to see what is F. Devushmita Helder is going for butane. According to Devushmita Helder, butane is being the correct answer. Kavya Vashni is going for C. C is butane. So both the two students are holding the same answer. Now let me check it out. Antriksh is going for D. So one student is opting for another answer. Who will be right? Who will get the correct answer? Madhuwala is also going for D. Now 2 students for D and 3 students. Girija Khole is going for C. Oh my God. There's tie. 3 for D and 3 for C. Oh, Kokul, you have changed the scene. C, A, oh my God. One kid is going for A, Broken Soul, God of Chemistry. Thank you. Homelander is going for STLD. And now it's a time to show you, my kids. This question is really going to be awesome question, because there is tie in between C and D, what I can see. And one student is going for A also. So computer, please show them the correct answer. Oh no. C is the correct answer. My dear friends, the correct answer is being C. Now let's see how to do it. Sodium succinate. This is going to change the answer. Sodium succinate. Succinic acid. Sodium succinate is like this. CH2, CH2, and this is succinic acid. Succinic acid, right? Ohm's gap. Do you remember Ohm's gap? So if I remove these two H, I will get sodium succinate. Now once, if you do the coal-based electrolysis of this, what will you get? This bond will break. CH2, CH2, and double bond will form. This is being ethene, ethene. So starting with ethene, my dear student, this is ethene. Br2 ethyl bromide NaNH2X, you will get Na, C triple bond C, Na, you know very well. methyl, C triple bond C, methyl, and here ozonolysis. Oh my God, this is really killer question. Oxidative ozonolysis. Oh, reductive ozonolysis. Yeah, reductive ozonolysis. So reductive ozonolysis, right? Now this is being Clemenson's reduction, Clemenson's reduction. So butane will be the answer. Butane. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. How many of you like this question? How many of you like this question? Did you like? Have you understood? Really, this was very good question. And these type of questions, how many of you are loving it? If you are really loving it, that means your revision is perfect. And if you're not doing proper revision, you can never love this type of question. This type of question really requires a lot of hard work, homework, proper revision. Am I right? Am I right, kids? Am I right? If yes, then I want to see the fire in the chat section. Everyone, if am I right, then I want to see fire in the chat section that yes, Baba, you are absolutely correct. Now, if you understood the explanation, because it was lengthy, if you understood, then show me hearts. If you understood, then show me hearts. I want to see the hearts if the explanation is clear to all of you. Once the explanation is clear to each and everyone, Baba want to see the hearts so that I can get an idea whether I have to tell you once again or it's okay. It's okay. That's really awesome. Baba can see from here. Now another question on a screen. Oh, this is also a bit lengthy one. Just apply your best efforts. Everyone, let's see who is going to give the correct answer. I will let you know, Kaushi, after this which chapter we will take. See the thumbnail. Deepshika is going for D. Deepshika is going for D. Madhuwala is also going for D. So most of the students, they are going for D. I think no controversy is there, no ambiguity is there. So computer, please show them the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Now let me solve it so that everyone can get an idea about it. This is beta keto acid, alpha, beta. So in beta keto acid, this carbon dioxide will simply on heating eliminate out and this hydrogen will get added over here. So it is acetone. It is being acetone, my dear students. Wolff-Kishner reduction, you will get propane, CH3, CH2, CH3 is being the propane. Cl2H nu is CH3, CH, Cl, CH3, 2-chloropropane, triether. So you will get compound like this CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH3 and CH3. So if you do the IUPAC nomenclature of this compound, definitely you will understand 1, 2, 3, 4. 2,3 dimethyl butane. So everyone must have got the correct answer. Another question on your screen. During second step of ESR, Second step of ESR means rate determining step. RDS, slowest step of the reaction, intermediate form this. Just I will take 5 to 10 minutes more, then all the questions will be really get completed. So what's the answer, kids? Baba is waiting for your answer. D. Everyone is going for D. So very good, because it is given in NCERT very clearly. It is being mentioned that the carbocation, this is the scene of carbocation. This is how the carbocation looks like. This double bond. Here is attack of electrophile, and there is hydrogen, and there is positive charge. This is known as arenium ion, this is known as carbocation, this is known as sigma complex. So definitely all of these is the correct answer. So another question, during nitration, HNO3 act as. During nitration, HNO3 act as. So I want to see the correct answer for this question, my dear friends. As a base. Very good. I can see correct answer as a base, because during nitration we are going to use HNO3 and H2SO4. H2SO4 is going to donate H plus, and that H plus will attack on what? HNO3's NO2's lone pair. Sir, please explain. So this is H2SO4. It will release its H plus, and this H plus will attack on NO2 OH, the lone pair of HNO3. So it acts as base. It will be like this. Then it will generate nitronium ion NO2 plus. This is the mechanism already I have explained. Now, here is another question. During nitration, actual attacking agent is. Only 4 to 5 questions are being left, then it's over. Only 4 to 5 questions. Yeah, H2SO4 will act as an acid. Now, during nitration, actual attacking agent is. Baba want to see in the chat option. Fast. D. Antariksh is going for D. Deepshika is going for D. Rest of the other students, I want to see what's the answer. Everyone is going for D. Some students are going for A. My dear student, D is the correct answer. Nitrosonium ion is like this. During diazotization, you will get like this. Nitro group is like this. So they are not the answer. They are not the answer. SO3 is not the answer. This is the correct answer. Now, during sulfonation, attacking agent is. This is a really good question. Let me see who is going to give the correct answer. During sulfonation, attacking agent is. Yes, gets fast. During sulfonation, attacking agent is. So most of the students are going, oh my god, mixed answer. Here is being mixed answer. Some are saying B, some are going for A, some are going for D. Now, my dear students, just see all of these, because this will generate SO3. And if you don't know about this, no problem. Sulfur trioxide and SO3 being same. When two options are same, then definitely you have to go for the fourth option, all of these, when two options are same. Now, another question. Benzene plus 15 by 2O2, what will you get? Simple question. Simple question, and let me check it out. What answer you are going to give, my dear friends? Yes. I'm waiting for your answer, my dear friend. Do let me know. So most of the students are going for C for this, and definitely I think also that C is the correct answer. Now, how to do it? How to do it? See, always remember that when there is combustion, you will get carbon dioxide and water. Is that clear? Along with lot of amount of energy. Now, how to balance it? 6 carbon. So, carbon will remain 6. How many hydrogens? 6 hydrogen. So 3 times H2O means 6 hydrogens. To make 6, I have to multiply by 3. Now 6 2 are 12 and 3 15 oxygen. 15 oxygen. If I just multiply by 15, 15 to the 30, so I've divided by 2. Oh, already it is given. Already, oh my God, 6 times. This is very simple. Oxygen is already balanced because they have given the oxygen. So even if oxygens were not given, you could have balanced oxygen also, right, kids? Now, oh, once again, lengthy. So let me sit in front of screen. It's anaconda question, lengthy question. Let me check it out. What answer you're going to give, my dear student? Yes, my dear students, Baba is waiting for the answer. Yes, yes, yes. Antriksh. Very fast. Antriksh, Deepshika, Adwala. Everyone is going for D, but Gokul is going for B. Answer is D is the correct answer. Now, how to do it, my dear students? Just see. This is sodium benzoate. What is the name? You should know it is sodium. Oh, sorry, it is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. This will be sodium benzoate. This will be sodium benzoate. And this is soda lime reaction. Soda lime reaction. So this will be benzene and ozonolysis, that is reductive ozonolysis. You will get 3 moles of glyoxyl, my dear students, 3 moles of glyoxyl. Clemenson's reduction, this is being Clemenson's reduction. So on doing Clemenson's reduction, you will get ethane, CH6, and Cl2H nu, you will get C2H5, Cl, and KOH aqueous, definitely C2H5OH. Whole revision kits. Are you agreed that my questions are making such a real good revision of each and everything? If we are really doing hard work, your success is waiting for you, and these are the questions which are just acting like mirror. They are giving you that confidence that your revision is on the right track. Now, another question. Which one is benzene? Awesome question. Simple, but most of the students, they will give the wrong answer for this question. Really, I mean it, kids. I mean it. Very simple question, but most of the students will give the wrong answer. Now see, Deepshika is going for D, Devushmita Haldar is going for D, Madhuwala is only who is giving answer C. There is only being Madhuwala who is giving answer C. Rest of the whole world is going for D. Computer, C is the correct answer. You got shocked. Madhuwala got rocked. Rest of others got shocked. Kids, these two are resonating structures of benzene. They are not benzene. They are just resonating or canonical structures of benzene. They are not benzene. They are contributory structures, contributing structures. They are not benzene. This is actually benzene. If that is benzene, it is single bond. Its expected bond length 1.54 angstrom. Its double bond 1.34 angstrom. But they are not benzene. Actually, the bond length is 1.39 angstrom. Kids, Baba saved you. If this question is going to come in your JEE or NEET examination, you would have failed. Definitely you would have failed, kids. You liked it. This is the real question. And I've told you, this is really simple question, but most of you are going to get failed in this question. Agreed or not, Baba has saved you or not, Just to let me know that Baba has saved you or not. I want to see in the chat section that how many of you are agreed. This was a really simple question, but kids, most of you got failed, kids. Eye-opener question. This was eye-opener question. Eye-opener, and isn't it? Yes. Now another question on your screen. Carbon-carbon bond length. Now this to everyone is going to give the correct answer, kids. I know that everyone can give the correct answer of this question. Everyone can give the correct answer. Do let me know fast. Yes. Now Dinesh, now also the wrong answer. Right now, just see the earlier slide. Baba has told you the answer. That is, it is 1.39 angstrom. So definitely it is going to be 1.39. Now another question. Name of compound is, name of compound. This question. This is the general name based question. Now last 1 or 2 questions are left. After this will get over. Today's quiz question answers will get over. Yes, C is the answer, naphthalene. This is naphthalene, correct answer. Now another question on your screen. Total number of covalent bonds in benzene. Once again, this is simple question, but let me tell you, most of you will get failed. Most of you are going to get failed in this question. Baba is going to see in the chat section. Let's see how many of you are getting passed. How many of you will get passed? Everyone is going for A, 15. Oh my God. You are right. You are right. I was saying that you will get failed, but you haven't got failed. See, these are 6 sigma bonds. 6. Now, carbon, hydrogen, 6. 6 and 6. 12 sigma bonds and 3 pi bonds. 12 and 3, 15. Very good. Now, just taking advantage of this, do let me know the answer of this question. Let me check it out. This is going to be the last question, I think. This is going to be the last question. The given structure is of phenolphthalein, an acid-base indicator which you were, oh my God, so fast. Madhuwala has given, I don't know Madhuwala's answer is right or wrong, but Madhuwala very speedily Madhuwala has calculated and given the answer. Let's see the accuracy, whether Madhuwala's answer is right or wrong. My dear students, kids, Ilamithi also has given the correct answer, and this is going to be the correct answer. Now see how they have done so speedily. Just see, these are 12 sigma bonds. These are 12 sigma bonds, and these are 12 sigma bonds. 12, 12, 12. How much? 12 into 3 is 36. Now after 36, you can see 37, 38, 39, 40 and 41. This you were supposed to do. So 41 sigma bonds. 41 sigma bonds. Okay. Now over and out. Kids, this was today's question and answers session. I hope that everyone must have enjoyed it. Everyone must have liked it, my dear students. This was really the best revision. I would like to say best revision. If you are able to do these questions within given time with the accuracy, then really your revision is on the same and correct path. Whether you are preparing for JEE or you are preparing for NEET for this year 2024 or the coming year, because this is syllabus of class 11th. Bye to all of you. God bless you. Love you, kids. May Almighty God bless you with all happiness and prosperity, and may Almighty God bless you with the best rank in your coming examination. Good night, kids. Good night.